Imagine being able to earn money simply by reading on the internet. Today, I'll show you and teach you how to make anywhere from $200 all the way up to $1,000 online in this video. First and foremost, today's ways are absolutely free and effective all over the world simply by reading words. Second, you'll discover all you need to know to begin the process, including all the relevant details and a step-by-step method. As a result, you can begin earning right away. You'll also see how much money you can make and how easy it is after viewing this video. And if you close this video and miss out on this opportunity, I guarantee that you will be sorry. Welcome to The Moneymaker, where we teach the most current, up-to-date money method techniques, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, turn on the notification bells, and let's get started with this video. Before I show you how to do it step by step, I want you to have a look at this because it will show you just how much money you can make simply by reading. I'm quite thrilled since this possibility will allow you to earn a lot of money simply by reading. I'll show you how it works step by step, and you won't need any prior experience, technical knowledge, or certificates to do it. Take a look at this. A $1,000 deal for 30 or 45 minutes. So if you divide $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, you can earn $22 each minute for an hour, or $1,000. How would that affect your life if you worked for 1 hour and worked $1,000? What could you possibly do with that sum of money? It is a lot of money. I'll teach you how. But you need to promise me that you will watch the entire video because I'll show you a couple of methods and how to join up, be accepted, and make more money. This is critical, even if you only have a short period of time. And I want you to pay attention because a lot of people get it wrong. As a result, they are unable to profit. That is something that I don't want happen to you. So first and foremost, I recommend that you visit voices.com. They've been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, Hulu, Cisco, and the Los Angeles Times, among other places. When you come to this page, you'll notice a slew of well-known brands and businesses that are unquestionably legitimate. As a result, they'll pay out to people on a daily basis. All payments will be made via PayPal, check, or direct transfer into your bank account. So there are a variety of possibilities, and they all operate in different nations. Basically, these websites will provide me with a variety of assignments from various categories, and I'll show you which ones will pay out the most. You can pick from a number of different tasks, and I'll show you how they turn out. So once you've decided on a project, they'll provide you the screenplay, templates, book, and all of the words you need to read word for word, and you'll have to record your voice, and they'll pay you based on the project's length. It doesn't matter if you do it for 20 minutes or an hour. The labor on these platforms is unending. There are a lot of websites where you can conduct leaps, but they aren't always reliable. So because your other employment is so limited, you might not be able to make any money today. However, there are other categories and professions to pick from on voices.com. You can choose from a range of possibilities, even if you only have 5 minutes a day or if you have 30 to 15 minutes a day. By reading, you can accomplish it and earn all of this money right away. What if I don't have a microphone? Was the most common question. Because all you need is a simple earphone to get started. You can use either your iPhone or an Android phone. Record simply speaking onto your phone with your voice, and you don't have to reveal your face or identity. They'll only use your voice in the ebook, audiobook, television, and video. They want people like you and me to read out loud all of these words and shreds. We're not required to write anything. All that remains is for us to read the books and scripts that they provide. I'll give you now a couple of seconds to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up before we go any further. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you're enjoying this video so far and you're finding it useful and informative. We're always interested in hearing what you have to say. It's time to return to work and start earning some money. Let's go back to the website and I'll show you how to sign up, be accepted and verified, as well as to select some of the best projects that will pay you the most money and how to apply for work and get paid quickly after viewing this video. So first and foremost, hover your mouse over the sign up button into the right top corner of the page. When you click this, you'll be presented with two options. In this instance, we'll look for work as a talent to read those words out loud. We'll go with the second choice and enter our full name, email address, phone number, and username. You're free to fill in the blanks with whatever you choose. You can also use your Google account. What matters is that you agree to the terms, send conditions, and click the proceed button. If you create a free account, your dashboard will display a range of career opportunities. After logging in, you can access e-learning, explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games, among other things. There are several categories to pick from. So right now, I'll show you which categories have the most vocations, which are ideal for novices, and which are employed in countries like the United States, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines. This project attracts many people from all over the world. Audiobooks should be the first category you choose. Explainer video in the second category will pay you the second most amount of money. Video games is the third highest paying category. I'm going to focus on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games because they're the top 3 highest paying categories with the most jobs and the highest money for the least amount of effort. So, for example, we'll choose audiobooks, which will take us to a new page with some examples of people working online from all over the world who are making money at voices.com. And they're both men and women from various countries. You can check the language section right here, and you can see that they accept people from all over the world who want to read, including the United Kingdom, North America, and India. They're still interested in hiring you, so they have work for you no matter where you are. They have positions in English, African, and Indian, among other languages. You can start reading scripts online at voices.com and get paid based on the number of hours you work. If you want to make extra money, we'll choose a job that lasts at least 45 minutes and pay you $1,000 for each project you complete. So I'm going to show you some of the available job opportunities. As you can see below, there are a variety of vocations to choose from once you log in. So please allow me to scroll down. You'll come back to this page every day to see what's new, so you can continue to sign in and see which ones you like the most. As previously said, audiobooks are the most popular category on voices.com. You'll be provided one of the scripts and templates once you finish reading these books. All that is left is for you to read them and record them on your phone. You'll also be paid $1,000. They'll tell you who the client is, how old they are, whether they're a male or female, and what task they expect you to complete. They'll give you the script for free. All you have to do is read it out loud and you'll be compensated. This is what their app looks like if you download it from the Google Play or the App Store on your iPhone. They'll give you a screenplay to work with. You have the option of recording your voice when recording on your phone. If you like, you can read them out loud. That's how it manages to simplify everything. Voices.com is a good place to start. It's accessible on Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. This is how the logo should look, and you can download it for free and begin working on it right away. They'll show you the client agreements as well as the few other assignments from which to choose. As you can see, even if you come from different corners from the world, there are several job opportunities available to you, and that's all there is to it. Take a peek at my other videos if you enjoy similar topics. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any further questions, please leave them down below in the comments section, and I will see you in the next video.